In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix out-of-memory errors in Chrome, Edge, and Brave. If your browser keeps showing an out-of-memory message, freezes, or becomes very slow when opening websites or multiple tabs, there are a few simple things you can do to troubleshoot it. One of the most common causes is browser extensions using too much memory in the background. So we'll start there. First, open your browser. This process is very similar in Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Brave, since they all use a similar layout. Once the browser is open, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, look for Extensions and then click Manage Extensions. This will take you to the page where all installed extensions are listed. When you're on the Extensions page, toggle off all of your extensions. The goal here is to temporarily disable them so you can check whether one of them is causing the memory issue. Extensions can sometimes conflict with websites, run background processes, or consume more RAM than expected, especially if you have several installed at the same time. After turning them all off, go back and check if the problem is fixed. Try reopening the website or repeating the action that was causing the out-of-memory error. If the browser now works normally, that's a strong sign that one of the extensions was the cause. If you're still having the problem, or if you already know there are extensions you no longer use, you can remove those completely. This is a good way to reduce unnecessary memory usage and keep your browser running more efficiently. It's also a good idea to regularly review your extensions and only keep the ones you actually need. You can also clear your browsing data, which may help if the error is being caused by corrupted cached files or overloaded browser data. To do that, click the three-dot menu again and open Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, then click Delete Browsing Data. Follow the prompt and delete the browsing data. Once that's done, reopen the browser and test again. In many cases, disabling unused extensions and clearing browsing data is enough to fix the out-of-memory error and improve overall browser performance. That's it. If you found this helpful, you can use these same steps in Chrome, Edge, and Brave whenever memory-related issues come up.